Here's how to install your Mist Tankless reverse osmosis system. Before installing the system, please check to make sure all the listed parts and accessories are included in the packaging. Also, make sure you have handy all the tools you'll need to install the filter system. Next, learn how to use the Quick Connect fittings. How to use Quick Connect fitting. To insert tubing into a Quick Connect fitting, push the end of the tubing into the Quick Connect fitting until the fitting reaches the mark on the tubing, about 0.8 of an inch. Slide the blue lock clip onto the nut fitting to lock the tubing in place and prevent it from coming out. If the tubing is too long, cut it to a suitable length with a sharp utility knife or scissors. Cut the tubing squarely and cleanly so that the cut end of the tubing will insert smoothly and securely into a Quick Connect fitting. If you need to disconnect tubing from a Quick Connect fitting, first remove the blue lock clip from the fitting. Then, use your thumb and index finger to squeeze down on the lock sleeve. Use your other hand to pull the tubing out from the fitting. Step 1. Connect to the cold water supply. First, turn off the cold water supply valve and then disconnect the existing cold water supply line from the supply valve. Connect the feed water adapter to the cold water supply valve. Connect the cold water supply line to the threaded end if the feed water adapter securely. Step 2. Install the drain saddle. Choose a spot on the drain pipe that is convenient for installing the drain saddle. It is recommended that the drain saddle be installed on the vertical portion of the drain pipe. Then at that spot drill a 1/4 inch hole in the near side of the drain pipe with an electric drill. Make sure to control the drilling depth and be sure not to penetrate the opposite side of the pipe. Stick the foam seal onto the inside of the front plate of the drain saddle, making sure the hole in the foam seal is aligned with the hole in the front plate. Insert a Quick Connect fitting into the hole in the drain saddle. Then insert the drain water tubing into the Quick Connect fitting. Position both halves of the drain saddle around the drain pipe with the saddle's opening aligned over the drilled hole and insert your drill bit through both the hole in the saddle and the drilled hole in the pipe to ensure proper alignment. Tighten the screws of the drain saddle in place as shown, and use a lock clip to hold the tubing in place. Step 3. Install the faucet. Insert the faucet spout fully and firmly into the top of the faucet base. Then insert the threaded faucet stem into the bottom of the faucet base. Then insert the stem of the base down through the hole in the countertop. Under the sink, slip the washer and the nut over the threaded stem. Washer first and tighten until the faucet is seated snugly on the countertop. Insert the Quick Connect fitting into the open end of the faucet stem. Insert the pure water tubing into the Quick Connect fitting fully and firmly and use the clip to lock it in place. Step 4. Start up the system. Turn on the cold water supply and check for any leaks in the system. Insert the faucet power cord coming from the faucet socket at the back of the unit housing. Then tighten the nut to hold the cord securely in place. Insert the unit's main power plug into the under-sink electrical outlet. When it is first powered on, the system will beep and then begin an automatic 5-minute flush. When the system is flushing, the faucet TDS indicator flashes red. After 5 minutes, turn on the tap and let the system continue flushing for an additional 30 minutes until the filtering indicator and the faucet TDS indicator change from a flashing to a constant light. Do not drink the water when the system is flushing.